Hi guys, today we'll be solving a problem that is faced by almost all of you in your day-to-day life in your kitchen, which is storage of cookware. We all have a lot of cookware that just keeps staying in our kitchen and not being used on a daily basis, and it's just getting spoiled because it is not stored properly. So for that, we are going to be unboxing this particular product that will solve that problem and also give you some great cookware to use in your day-to-day life. So we'll be unboxing the Meyer Kitchen Hacks Nesting Stainless Steel Kadais. Now these are 3 kadais that stack one inside the other and take the space of only one kadai. Now this comes in 30 centimeters, 26 centimeters and 22 centimeters. So if you're cooking for just your family, you can probably use the 22 centimeter one, or if you have a bigger family, you can use the 26 centimeter one, or if you have guests coming over, you can use the largest, which is the 30 centimeter one. So I'll be unboxing this product to show you what it looks like and how it comes. So first we're gonna flip this open and take it out. This is what it looks like. We're just gonna get rid of this. There is a warranty card inside. You have 5 years of warranty on this, so you can use this to claim your warranty if by chance anything goes wrong. So it comes like this in the cardboard packaging. Get rid of that, and this is what it looks like. So we'll cut away the shrink wrap. And these are the 3 kadais that you get inside the package. So this is the smallest kadai that is good enough for a family of 2 to 3 people. It is made from stainless steel and it has no coatings inside, no chemical, no heavy metal. So that is why it is very healthy also and very safe also for you to use on a daily basis. So if you're cooking, you're doing your daily cooking and everything like that, you can use the smallest one. If you have a larger family or you have some friends coming over, you can use the medium size one. And if you're cooking something in a very large quantity, you also have the facility of using this 30 centimeter ginormous kadai. So once you're done cooking, cleaning and everything like that, all the kadais stack one inside the other, and the handles are specially made in such a way that they lock one inside the other, so that your kadais don't move a lot once you've stored them, and they take up exactly the space of one kadai, and you get 3 cookwares in the space of one. And they are designed in such a way that once you keep this particular product inside the other cookware, it does not touch. So the base of the topmost cookware does not touch the middle one, and the middle one does not touch the bottom one. So your cookware is safe from any kind of scratches, any kind of abrasion, and it can neatly be stored in any kind of kitchen space. And basically this is your whole kitchen right here. So for daily cooking, I'm pretty sure that many of you might be using kadais, and in the space of one, you're getting the purposes and the utility of 3 kadais. So that is why, according to us and me, this should be the perfect addition to your kitchen, because it solves a major problem that is faced with almost every kitchen, and it does it in a very neat and professional way. So we'll be back with more such videos. We have a whole kitchen hacks range. We have many more products that nest inside one another. We'll be showing them to you as well, and we'll be back with more such videos. Till then, stay tuned and keep a lookout for more such videos.